Is your Samsung air conditioner displaying CF message on the display? Well guys, let me tell you that CF is not any kind of error message. It's basically a simple reminder which means clean filter. So what is this AC reminding us about? Well, it's reminding us to clean the dust filters. In this video, I'll tell you a simple process where you can clean the dust filters and get rid of this error message. The first step would be to turn off your air conditioner and disconnect the power plug. Over here on top of the AC, you can see that these dust filters are held in by simple plastic locks. You can unclip the dust filter and remove it. Now we will wash this dust filter. The simplest method is to use a jet spray. I will recommend that you should avoid any kind of harsh chemicals or stiff brushes to clean the filter. Your filter may get ruined. Now after the washing is complete, I'll recommend that you let this filter dry in shade at least for 1 hour. After the filter is completely dry, let's install it back on the top of AC. You just position these locks and then simply press the filter in its place. Now half the job is done. Now let's remove this error message. The filters are back in its place and the AC is turned on. But wait, what is this? The CF message is still present. Well, I'll teach you how to reset this clean filter reminder. First, we'll use the AC remote and we'll press this options key. As soon as you press this key, you can see that a lot of options will start flashing up on the display. You can use these arrow keys to move the selection, and I'll select the filter reset option and press the set button, something like this. And now the clean filter reminder is simply gone. Guys, this is the Samsung Windfree 1.5 ton, and along with this model, I'll provide a bunch of affiliate links to latest air conditioners for you in the description or in the first comment below. And if you love using air conditioners efficiently, then a bunch of informative video cards will be popping up on your screen right here. You can click on any of them and learn something new about your air conditioner today. Take care and have a nice day, guys. And yes, enjoy your summers.